friends. This is Cassie with Radharc Ranch. I am doing the afternoon feeding, and we're gonna come down here and see Missy. Wanted to give everyone, hi, Miss. Nice and Miss. Oh, come on. Wanted to give everyone just a kind of a little bit of a tour. Watch out. I don't want you out here on this ice. Come on, Trigger my eggers. There we go. Okay. So I wanted to kind of give everyone a little bit of a tour, preferably without Missy slopping in the background. Oof. Watch that ice. So this is our home. It needs power washed, but it's okay. We're getting there. We live at the top of a hill in Ohio, and we absolutely love it. When we bought our house 2 years ago, it had no facilities, and I think I spoke about this before. And we started putting everything up from scratch. So what we did is that little shed right there used to sit at the back corner of our property, and we moved it and got chickens. And that was our first big step. And then we built what I call the training pen. Hi, Callan.
Hi.
This is my son, Callan, and I have a daughter, Mariah. She's a fair weather farmer. She likes to be inside. So we moved the chicken pen, built it in, or moved the shed, I should say, to use as a chicken pen. Built it in, and then our next thing that we did, let me see if I can turn this over here, was we built that, which is our, I call it the training pen now. We were naive in thinking that that was going to be enough room for a pig, which it would be, but I can't handle the smell of it. And I am full believer in the Jill Salatin methods that it should be aromatically pleasing. I don't like things to stink. So, we built that, and now we run our pigs on pasture. And they go in there when they're getting ready to go to the butcher, and whenever they're in training and learning how to use the electric fence. So I'll take you down there and show you a little bit of that, but we're going to feed Item A first. Sure, you can jump into the snow. Where'd you go? There you are. How about that? It felt great. So we're headed down to feed Miss Item A, which is our one singular longhorn cow. She was an impulse buy, sitting around the fire. A friend texted me and said, "Hey, I have a cow. You want it?" Yeah. Well, at the time we had no fence. So since then, we've put up this beautiful fence. There's Miss Ida cow. She's not the sweetest thing in the whole world, but she likes dinner.
Mom, where's your water? Oh! I forgot this ice was here.
Yeah, it's there.
Where's it at? Push it down so I can grab the edge of it. I said push it down.
Here. Don't let it break. Pull it all the way out of there.
It's darn it!
Don't get your gloves wet. That's going to be cold. You're going to have to change your gloves. It's too cold out here for that.
I can't even feel it.
Not yet. Fear the fence. There's no gate right there. Because we weren't geniuses when we built this, and the only gate that we have is, oh, you can't see it from here. Hang on. All the way down at the other end of the pasture. There. Now I think you can see the gate. Maybe. It's way down by the driveway. Over there.
Hey guys, so I am just walking around our farm right now to show you guys all the animals. So, yeah. Okay. Hi. Okay, so now I am going around to show you the animals. First is our turkey Troy. And he is pretty big. So yeah, you can probably hear him gobbling. So there's chickens in with our pig. And there's our and here's some rabbits. Okay, so here's Troy. Here's all the chickens, and that big turkey is Troy. Then I'll go in our pig's pen and show you her. She's pregnant, I think. This is our pig. Here's some more chickens with our pig. Okay, here's some more chickens. Here's our pig. She's pretty fat. She's dumping her bull right now. Okay. So let's go find our other pigs. Oh, there's the bunnies. They're getting big. They're not that big. Okay, let's go find some other stuff. Whoa! Maybe our cow. Our other pigs. Our baby or our baby chickens. You guys want to see them? Comment down below if you guys want to see our chickens. You probably do, but you probably don't. I don't know. Just kidding. I'll just show you them anyway. Okay, so yeah, I'm in the chicken coop right now. Hi guys, there's some eggs, lots of eggs. There's some chickens. Let's go find our roosters. Okay, there's one of our roosters right there. That big feather. Here's our big barn that we built. Here's our pigs. They're all laying down right there. Come here. Hi. This one's Joker. Yeah, hi. Hi.
Does that conclude our farm tour?
Not really. I didn't get the whole house.
Well, that's okay. We'll show them the whole house.
I didn't get item A. I got
item A a little bit.
I got the rabbits a little bit. One's
Yeah,
right
they're
there.
over here right now.
Okay, so we have a bit of a problem. Our pig's watering trough is leaking. My mom's playing in the ice.
Ice, baby.
She's weird.